Day 3. How to study fast with AI and actually remember. No rereading method. Let me guess, you study for hours, and then you open the test and your brain is just blank. You're not lazy, you're not dumb. You're doing the most common trap in studying. You're rereading and calling it learning. Today I'm going to show you how to use AI to study faster and actually remember without rereading, without highlighting everything, without pretending I'll get it later. And here's the deal. By the end of this video, you'll have a copy-paste system that turns any topic into a mini exam, shows you exactly what you don't know, and tells you what to do next. So every 25 minutes creates real progress. Stay to the end, because I'll also show you the one mistake that makes AI studying useless, using it like Google. And before we start, quick story. This was me too. I used to study in the most painful way. I would reread the same pages, highlight half the book, and still feel like nothing stuck. I'd walk into a quiz thinking, I saw this, and then I couldn't pull the answer out of my brain. It was like my memory just didn't work when it mattered. I honestly thought I was just bad at learning. Like maybe I wasn't built for exams. Then I tried this exact method, using AI not to explain forever, but to test me, catch my gaps, and force recall. The first time I did it, it was annoying, because it exposed what I didn't know. But that's why it worked. In one focused sprint, I went from I kinda get it to I can answer it. That was the moment I realized the problem wasn't me. The method was wrong. If you've been feeling that same frustration, you're not alone. And you're about to fix it. If you're a student, you know this pain. You read the same page 3 times. It feels familiar. You feel productive. Then the test asks it differently, and you realize you didn't learn it. You just saw it. That I recognize it feeling is a lie. It's called familiarity. And familiarity is not recall. What you want is recall. Can you pull it out of your brain when you need it? The fastest way to build recall isn't rereading. It's testing yourself, then fixing the exact gaps. That's what we're building today with AI. Day 3 is the no rereading method. In 10 minutes, you'll set up a 90-second start, a 25-minute focus sprint study script, a personal mini exam, and a mistake log that turns your weak spots into points. One topic, one sprint, one visible result. Quick rule, AI is not here to explain the topic forever. AI is here to test you, catch your mistakes, and force clarity. If you spend 20 minutes asking for explanations and never answering anything, congrats, you're procrastinating with education. In this video, you will do one thing repeatedly. Answer, check, patch, repeat. That's learning. First, we need a test. Not random questions, the right questions, at the right difficulty in the style you'll actually face. Copy-paste prompt 1. You are my personal exam writer and tutor. Topic, topic. Level, beginner, intermediate, advanced. Create a 15-question mini-exam that tests understanding, not memorization. Mix. 5 easy, 7 medium, 3 hard. Use formats. Short answer, explain in your own words, 1 mini problem. Do not give answers yet. After each question, wait for my answer and then grade it strictly. This is already a cheat code because most people never practice the skill they're tested on, answering. Now we're going to take this exam in a way that makes memory stick. Here's why tests feel hard. You don't know what a good answer looks like. So we ask AI to become your answer coach. Copy-paste prompt 2. Before I answer each question, give me a 10-second answer framework. What the examiner wants, the key points I must include, and one common mistake to avoid. Keep it short, then ask me the question. This is how you stop staring at a question like it's a monster. You see the shape of the answer immediately. This part is what most study videos skip, and it's why people don't improve. You don't need more notes. You need a system that turns mistakes into points. Copy-paste prompt 3. Create a mistake log table for me. After you grade each answer, fill in 1. What I got wrong, 1 line, 2. Why I got it wrong, confusion, missing definition, weak example rushed, 3. The corrected version, 2 to 3 lines, 4. A micro drill question to retest me in 3 minutes. Keep adding to the table as we go. Now every mistake becomes a target. You're not studying everything. You're studying the exact thing that costs you points. Now we make it fast. Not chaotic fast, structured fast. Copy-paste prompt 4. Plan a 25-minute study sprint for topic. Topic using active recall. Break it into 5-minute segments. For each segment, tell me exactly what to do, what not to do, and a micro finish line. Include a 30-second starting ritual and a small reward after the sprint. End with what done for today looks like in one sentence and what to do in the next sprint. This solves the I studied but I wandered problem. It gives your brain rails. Let's make it real. Your topic is photosynthesis or supply and demand or derivative rules. Doesn't matter. You paste prompt 1 to AI generates 15 questions. You paste prompt 2, arrow it gives you the answer structure. You answer 3 questions only, fast. AI grades you strictly. Prompt 3 builds the mistake log. Then, prompt 4 tells you exactly what to do for 25 minutes. And here's the magic. After one sprint, you don't just feel like you studied. You have a graded result, a list of weak spots, and a plan for the next sprint. That's what real studying looks like. 3 ways people ruin this. 1. They ask for explanations forever and never answer anything. 2. They let AI be nice and give easy feedback. No, you want strict grading. 3. They study 10 topics at once. Don't. 1 topic per sprint. Your day 3 assignment is simple. Pick 1 topic you need this week. Run the mini exam. Answer the first 3 questions. Build your mistake log. Do 1 25-minute sprint. Then comment, Day 3 done, and tell me your topic and your weakest spot. Just 1 line? Subscribe because tomorrow is day 4 and I'll show you how to use AI to write notes that actually work. Not pretty notes, notes that produce test answers. See you tomorrow. Pinned comment, Day 3. Prompts, 1. AI exam generator. 2. Answer. Coach 3. Mistake. Log 4. 25-minute sprint script. Comment Day 3 done, plus your topic, plus your weak spot.